Okay, sorry about that. I am recording these at home, and my son and husband were screaming trying to play a video game, and so all I got in the background while I'm trying to think through how to work these problems was the two of them fighting over a video game. Gotta love family. Okay, so now how do we find f double prime of x? Well, it's going to be f prime, which is 3, times x plus 2, plus, and that should be a plus sign, plus 3x times 1. So now, if I set this equal to 0, I get 3x plus 6 plus 3x. So that's 6x plus 6. So then I get 0 equals 6 times x plus 1. So x equals negative 1. So now I make my sign chart. So I'm doing the same steps that I did, but this time I'm using the second derivative. That's why I put the first derivative over here, because now I'm using the second derivative. I'm going to check negative 2, and I'm going to check 0. So at negative 2, I get a positive and a negative, so that's negative. And at 0, I get a positive and a positive, so that's positive. So I'm a frown and a positive. Okay? So I need to find what f of negative 1 is. So that's going to be 1 squared times negative 2. So that's f of negative 1 is negative 2. So that's the point negative 1, negative 2. All right? So I'm going to save this and scroll down, and I'm going to write my information. So I'm concave up from yes. I'm concave up from negative 1 to infinity, and down from negative infinity to negative 1, and my inflection point is negative 1, negative 2. And if I put all this information that I've gained, x and y, together, then what I have is I have the point negative 2, 0, and I have the point 0, negative 4. And so my graph is going to come up like this, curve here, and then about right here it's going to start becoming a smile, and it's going to come down, and then it's going to keep smiling. So about right here, and notice I don't plot that point until after I'm done, because I don't want to have to make myself go through an additional point. I just try to draw it. And so this is what f is going to kind of sort of look like. Okay? So there we go. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.